Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use a nano banana model for realistic figurines with no copyright. If you want to create hyper-realistic AI figurines with zero copyright issue, here I'm going to use a nano banana model to generate stunning 3D figurine images that are unique, creative, and viral on social media. For Nano Banana, you can access it through Google Gemini or Google AI Studio. You can use both. Here I'm going to just use it on the Google Gemini. So here you can just start a new chat and then upload the photos that you want to edit. Click on the plus button, upload files. For example, I'm going to make a figurine from this photo. Click on open and then click on the tools button and choose the create images option with the banana icon. This is for the nano banana feature. Now just write your prompt. Here is the prompt that I use. Use the nano banana model to create a 1/7 scale commercial figure of all characters in the photo in a realistic style and environment, and place the figure on a computer desk using a circular transparent arc-like base. And on the computer screen, display the ZBrush modeling process of the figure. And next to the computer screen, place a Bandai style toy packaging box printed with the original artwork. So just click on this to submit, and you can just wait a few seconds. So in here, I've already generated it before, and here is the final result. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.